Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Lena Levy. Welcome to all my new subscribers as well as the existing. Today, we're actually going to be working on my son's closet. I kind of broke his wire shelving by putting too much on it. It needed to be done. It looked terrible. It still had the old borders and everything. So we went ahead and we wanted to go for an industrial look. So keep watching. Okay, y'all.
Coming.
Upstairs is a total mess because we're trying to finish up Sham's room closet. Milu, hold on.
Hello, stop.
Yes, babe. So, honey is making the lines
Okay,
now.
I'm free right now.
Okay. So he ended up putting up 4. And we used our stud finder, but it was going off and saying there was a stud there, but there was no stud. So, and it was saying there was a stud here, no stud. We ended up buying 6 of these, but he's gonna try to see how well it works with 4 right now. They come out quite a bit. So if that's like an indicator, I'm trying to get like a side view so you can see how deep they are. This time. You okay?
That's the I thought I stepped on the building.
She would have screamed. I like it with the unfinished wood look. So it doesn't leave any room then. Oh, because you pushed it over to the side, right?
Yeah,
Okay. I get that. You think that would be better?
depends on how much stuff you put on this edge.
Oh, then I don't want to do that. I think I'd rather it pushed over like that. Like that. Because then both of it will have like a balance. I think it looks good, babe. What you think?
Yeah.
You don't like it?
Yeah, it's fine.
I like it. That is plenty of room. Then there's all that storage at the bottom. I could put like bins under there. Why are you looking at me like that? Why? I could put bins right here at the bottom. For him. There's tons of room. Jeans.
What other stuff look like?
Oh, they're it's right here. Look at this. And oh, it's gonna match. Because this is the unfinished side. And there's two boxes of that. Oh Lord. That looks good, babe.
Look at this.
Mm-hmm.
Cindy probably, I can't do it. Look at this one. Thank God I love God.
You hear Lucas snoring?